Hello everyone, I hope this video finds you well. Today we will learn about Kruskal's algorithm for finding the minimum spanning tree from a weighted, connected and undirected graph. So first of all, the question is what is spanning tree and what is minimum spanning tree. Suppose this is a graph which is connected graph because all vertices are connected, and this is weighted graph because all edges have weight, and this is undirected graph because there are no direction on the edges. So now the question is what is spanning tree. We know a spanning tree of a graph is a subgraph of that graph that is a tree and connects all the vertices together. These two are tree and all vertices are connected. There are no disconnected vertices on these two graphs. So this two graph is called the spanning tree of that graph. Now we will find the total weight. The total weight of this graph is 1, 4, 5, 7, 17, and the total weight of this graph 1, 2, 3, 6, which is 12. Which is the minimum? This is the minimum. So this is the minimum spanning tree of this graph. And the spanning tree cannot have any loop. On these two graphs there are no loops exist. So another theory is a minimum spanning tree has b minus 1 edges, where b is the number of vertices in the given graph. In the given graph the number of vertices is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the number of edges of this minimum spanning tree is 1, 2, 3, 4. So v is the number of vertices. The number of vertices is 5 and number of edges is 4. So b minus 1 edges exist in the minimum spanning tree. Now we will find the minimum spanning tree from this graph by using Kruskal's algorithm. So for finding the minimum spanning tree from a given graph, we will take always smallest edges, but cannot take any edge which produce loops. So what is the minimum weighted edge from all of the edges? This is the minimum weighted edge. So first we will take all vertices, then we will take this edge first, and then what is the minimum edge? These two, and which we will take. From two of them we will take any of them. Suppose we will take this edge, then what is the minimum? These two. We will also can take these two. Then what is the minimum? These three. They are also and 3. We can take this or this, any of them. If we take these 3, any loop exists? No. So we can take this 3. And if we take these 3, there also exists no loop. So we can take these 3 also. Then what is the minimum? 4, 4. If we take this 4, there exists a loop. So we cannot take this. If we take this 4, there exists any loop? No. So we can take this 4. Then if we take 4, 5, this 5, there exists a loop. So we cannot take this 8. Then any 6, this 6. If we take this 6, there exists loop. So we cannot take it. If we take this 7, there exists any loop? No. So we can take this edge. Then if we take this edge, 8, minimum 8, there exists any loop? No. And we can also take this. So what is the minimum weight, total weight? One, two, 3, 4, 7, 8, 5, 6, 11, 4, 15, 7, 22, 16, 38. So this is the total weight of this minimum spanning tree. So now the number of vertices of this graph is, the vertices are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. So the number of vertices is 10. And what is the number of edges of this spanning tree? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The number of edges of this spanning tree is 9. So what is the theory of our spanning tree? A minimum spanning tree has b minus 1 edges, where b is the number of vertices in the given graph. The number of vertices is 10. Number of edges is 9. So a minimum spanning tree has b minus 1 edges. If the number of vertices is expressed by b, then 10 minus 1, 9, 10 minus, we can see v minus 1. So this also verified by this theory. So this is the Kruskal algorithm. So I hope this video has a very clear concept about Kruskal algorithm. Hope you can understand this. Thank you.